Hey guys, today we have another unboxing video. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to know when there's a new video. I've heard about Fab Fit Fun for a while now, but this is my first experience and it was a trial, so all I had to do was pay $5 for shipping and I got this box. So let's see what it brought. The color aesthetics alone are awesome. Opening up the box made me feel fairly peaceful. The very first thing you come across is the Fabfitfun magazine. It tells you about the products that are in the box or faves for the month. This box also included a note and a listing of everything that was included inside the box. Alright, so we got some hand moisturizing gloves. We have this really cute little purse that you can use pretty much with anything. It's fairly simple, really easy, really cute, goes with anything. Also included was this makeup eraser. I think it's some type of sponge that you wet and you wipe off your makeup with. Definitely something I'm going to have to make a video trying. Also included in this box was this moisturizer by Tarte, which I am excited to try out as well. I am going to have a list of all the products that were included in the box down below along with their prices. After briefly looking at a rundown of these prices, paying $5 for shipping was totally worth this box. I think joining Fabfitfun is actually pretty awesome. I enjoyed the stuff that they sent, and I look forward to my next box. Have you guys joined Fabfitfun? Is it something you're interested in joining? Let me know how you feel down in the comments. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.